The biggest shift is not learning how to sell. It's the learning what you do beyond the sale. The thing is, for a long time, like I said, I measured success of, whether I made a sale, whether I earned a commission, whether, whether my invoice was looking good, so on and on, right? And I think that's exactly, I used to feel that, this is how the success should look like. But eventually, when I actually spent more time in the system, I realized my focus was becoming, very simple. It was like, let me just learn the system, let me learn the process, let me learn the products thorough, speak to the customers, make sales, earn commission, and that's it. And I think that is what many people out here, they focus on today's result, like today's lead, today's booking, today's sale, today's commission, today's invoice. So let's look for it, let's look at it that way only. But the minute you start thinking bigger, you understand the basics more. And after spending enough time in this business now, I have started noticing something very, very interesting. Because I remember when it finally clicked for me, like I was looking at the booking and feeling happy with one of the customers. Like if you go back and see, there was a group booking which I was talking about 24 people. When I saw that, I was really, really happy. I was like, wow, what a month, what a great invoice I'm going to have, and blah, blah, everything. But eventually, after celebrating for maybe about 20 or 25 minutes, I realized, but what next? This is not going to happen every day. This is not going to happen every month. So what next? And I think that conversation with myself, it stuck with me, because I was like, you know what, Arpita, you are celebrating today, but what is going to happen tomorrow? Have you even thought about what is going to happen tomorrow? And I think that was the moment, the minute I had this question, what happens after this booking? Not because I was unhappy. It's just because I suddenly realized that booking wasn't the end of the journey. Rather, it was beginning of the relationship. And I think that's a very different way of looking at your work. And I think that moment changed everything for me, because after that 24 people's booking was over, I just casually called that customer, I think after 2 days, and I just told him that, Mr. Nazi, that I just want you to, save my number, and, if in case you would. He's like, Arpita, don't worry, I've already done that. And I think that is where, I realized that customer was so happy that even without me telling him, he's already saved my number, and then he came back to me. I think after a week or 10 days, he had another 3-4 family member traveling, and then that's why he called me and we had another booking. And that's where I stopped thinking like an agent, and I started thinking like a business owner or like an entrepreneur, because I realized that I did not even have the need to tell him to save my number. He did automatically. And I think that's where I realized, something important, that instead of focusing only on today's commission, I started thinking about tomorrow's possibilities. And I think, many agents, they only focus on transactions, but people like us who become entrepreneur, we focus on relationships. And I think when you have relationships, it actually has a much longer lifespan than just transactions. And I think one of the biggest gifts that Dreamport has given me wasn't the sales knowledge. It was actually the exposure to real customers, real transactions, real booking, real conversations, real people, real trust. And I think those experiences have changed the way I thought, not overnight, but not through one big breakthrough also, but through thousands of conversations, hundreds of conversations, hundreds of lessons. And I think those hundreds of moments taught me that long-term success is rarely built on one sale. It rather builds at one relationship at a time. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll meet again in the next one.